Back with Toby. Aren't you picking her up after a bit? Won't see us till later. Anyway, so I've got my nick set on 0. I don't want you guys to worry about using the nick. Also, I want you to get her in a good routine, which I'm going to tell you others. But you know what we don't want is all these people rushing over, everybody wanting to meet her and all that until she gets into, you know, a routine and kind of knows what's going on. We don't just want, you know, to be introducing all these new people that she can't figure out who's who. Anyway, so I'm going to start my pager slightly before. Toby! Oh, good girl. You have my treats. Good morning. One of your short little sessions, which is very successful. Wonderful. Something lower my leash down. Oh, what an angel. What an angel. One more time. Yeah, they spill way too much food on the ground up here. Toby. Oh, for someone else. Down. She's a beauty, this one. Oh, really? Down. Uh-oh. Really? Oh, she's a smart one, this one. Heel. Goodbye. Heel. Something down. Oh, she's an ambassador to the world, this one. Alright guys, see you soon.